All right, today looks like it's gonna be one of the last nice days we're gonna have. So putting both the cars in storage, unfortunately, which is just my backyard. So I'm getting them all kind of ready to go. I hardly drove this one at all this year, but maybe next year I'll get to it. But the Beaumont, I want to actually take these wheels and tires off. I got these steel chromies with some kind of old school pie crust on it, and these front runners, and I want to put them on the 55. These are old tires and they go flat. It's a pain just trying to roll it around and stuff. So I had these in the backyard, so hopefully I can find some lug nuts for them, put on this thing and make it a roller and get them both in the backyard. So that's what I'm doing next. All right, got the other wheels on. I found 8 lug nuts, so each got 2. Should be good enough for storage. Wheels sure do make a car. All right, let's get these things fired up in the backyard. All right, got it all warmed up. Got the fence apart. Time to wheel this thing in the backyard. It's a tight fit, so we'll be in for a good show. We'll try and squeeze these two together. Alright, one down. It's a tight fit. You gotta squeeze right between the deck. Hopefully I got it far enough ahead. The Beaumont will fit in this little spot. So set this up and see how it goes. All right, there we have it. They're both in there with just enough room to put the fence back together. So, sad times. See these guys in 6 or 8 months. So the battery died on the GoPro. So while I was charging it, I ended up putting those slicks on the back. Hey, it turns out looks pretty wicked. I mean, it's hard to tell. I can't get far enough away from the car in the garage. It's got a pretty wicked look. This was easy because I had the wheel well radius. This side was a nightmare. Couldn't imagine having a flat tire on the side of the road in wintertime with a wheel well like that if you had an oversized tire on it. That one was a gong show to get in there, but looks pretty good. Just gonna change these tires. They're taller tires, taller and narrower than these ones, so I'll get those on and put those in the front and see what this thing looks like.